Welcome back to our channel, dedicated to promoting well-being and mindfulness. In today's video, we'll be exploring the transformative practice of mindfulness meditation. So, find a quiet and comfortable space, and let's begin our journey inward. Mindfulness meditation is a practice that cultivates present moment awareness and helps us develop a deeper connection with ourselves and the world around us. Through this practice, we can reduce stress, increase self-awareness, and foster a sense of inner peace. Let's dive into the basics of mindfulness meditation. Find a comfortable seated position, either on a cushion or a chair, with your back straight but not rigid. Rest your hands on your lap, and gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Let's take a few moments to settle into this space. Begin by bringing your attention to your body. Starting from the top of your head, slowly scan down, noticing any sensations or areas of tension. As you breathe, imagine releasing any tension, letting go of stress with each exhale. Continue to scan down your body, all the way to your toes. Now, shift your focus to your breath. Without trying to change it, simply observe the natural rhythm of your breath. Notice the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your body. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to the breath, without judgment or frustration. As you continue to breathe, thoughts and emotions may arise. Acknowledge them without getting caught up in them. Imagine them as passing clouds in the sky of your mind. Allow them to come and go, returning your attention to the breath. Now, expand your awareness to include your surroundings. Notice any sounds, sensations, or smells around you. Be fully present in this moment, embracing the richness of your experience. As we come to the end of our mindfulness meditation practice, take a moment to appreciate the stillness and calmness you have cultivated within. Carry this sense of presence with you throughout your day, returning to this practice whenever you need a moment of grounding. Thank you for joining me today on this mindfulness meditation journey. Remember, with regular practice, you can cultivate a greater sense of peace, clarity, and well-being in your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future mindfulness and well-being content. Wishing you a day filled with mindful moments. Take care.